In this video, I'll show you how to post a video on LinkedIn. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification for lots of educational guides and contents like this. And if you want to upload or post a video on LinkedIn, what you're going to do right now, you're going to head over to your LinkedIn, right? Then from this option, you're going to see the video. Click on the video. So I want to post a video, right? So I'll click on this. Once I've clicked on it, click on the open. Right? Once it has opened up, you can see I just brought out this video, right? So I'm going to click on this next. Then if you want to talk about the video, you can talk anything about the video. You can just say I'm good, right? I'm just using this for an example. Once you're done, you're gonna click on the post. So wait for it to load up. Okay, you can see it's currently posting right now. Upload complete will notify you when your post is ready, right? Exactly. So you can see I just posted this video right now here on LinkedIn. So this is how you can post a video on LinkedIn. If you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna see you guys in the very next one.